Good morning children and all my dear parents watching this video. This side Miss Priyanka from Rejoice International School. I am the educator for Senior KGB. So today children we are going to learn about AG and AN family words. So are we ready? Let's get started. So children, today we are going to learn about AN words and AG words. Let's start with AN words. Ka, a, na, can. C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. R-A-N, ran. R-A-N, ran. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Well done children. Now it's time for our AG words. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. R-A-G, rag. R-A-G, rag. Rag means a rough cloth. T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. Tag means a price tag. L-A-G, lag. Lag means to lag behind or to be late. So children, now we are going to write AN and AG words in our notebooks. So children, I hope you all enjoyed this session. This is Priyanka signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Activity sheet can be downloaded from the link provided below.